True proprietary R&D is about liberating the boundaries of imagination. We deliver professional ODM EMS integration for UAVs and key accessories, tailor-made accessories, built for your custom missions. From smart agriculture to cutting-edge defense, we master the core technologies across diverse domains. Control, powered by ultra-low latency and industrial-grade reliability, acts as a direct extension of your will. RF signal relay technology breaks through terrain barriers, ensuring continuous connectivity even beyond line of sight. With high-precision positioning and extended battery life, precise remote mission intervention is achieved via voice systems. Digital vision and AI edge computing transform complex situations into transparent, actionable data. The end of one mission is the starting point for the next. Tailor-made to conquer your exclusive domain.